Little storyteller.
Pip was a little wind sprite, with hair like spun sunshine and wings that fluttered like tiny bluebells. He was so excited. Today was his first day as an intern at the Cloud Factory, a giant building made of soft white puffs that floated high in the sky. Inside, fluffy white machines hummed and whirred, making big, bouncy cumulus clouds. The cloud boss, a kind, round cloud with a cheerful smile, showed Pip his job. "Your task, Pip," boomed the cloud boss gently, "is to add just the right amount of fluff to these sunny day clouds." Pip nodded eagerly, his little wings buzzing with enthusiasm. Pip carefully scooped the white fluff powder, which felt like the softest bunny's fur, but he got a little carried away. He giggled as he poured heaps and heaps of fluff into the machine. Soon the cumulus clouds coming out were enormous and extra bouncy, like giant cotton candy. Next, the cloud boss asked Pip to help with the storm clouds. "These need a touch of rumble and a sprinkle of rain," the cloud boss explained. Near the storm cloud machine was a container of gray powder and another with tiny, glittering star-shaped sprinkles. These were not for eating, but Pip, still feeling playful, thought the star sprinkles looked very pretty. He accidentally knocked over the container, and all the sparkly sprinkles mixed into the storm cloud machine. Soon the storm clouds weren't just rumbling, they were twinkling. Instead of plain rain, they were dropping tiny harmless sparkles that shimmered as they fell to the ground. Down on the ground, the animals looked up in surprise. The fluffy bunny hopped with delight as a giant extra bouncy cloud floated by, casting a lovely shade. The ducks in the sparkling river quacked happily as tiny harmless sparkles landed on their feathers, making them shimmer like jewels. When the cloud boss saw the extra fluffy cumulus clouds and the sparkly storm clouds, he didn't get angry. He chuckled. "Well, Pip," he said kindly, "it seems you've made some very special weather today. It's beautiful, even if it's not exactly what we planned." From that day on, Pip learned the importance of following instructions carefully. But sometimes, the Cloud Factory would make extra fluffy clouds for special sunny days and add just a tiny bit of sparkle to gentle rain showers to make everyone smile. The cloud boss said, "Even though it's important to do our jobs right, sometimes little mistakes can lead to happy surprises," and that was a wonderful thing to learn.
Please subscribe. Thank you.